everybody. Today's video, let's focus on a hybrid topology as shown here. I'm sure that from the previous videos, all of us will be confident in putting together a topology like this. Here you can see that 0, 1 are connected to 2 in a star topology, and further 3, 5 and 4 are connected in a bus topology. So the way it is configured here is that 0 is a source and 1 is also a source. 0 and 1, both of them, one of them TCP and other is UDP, they are trying to send data to 6. So what will happen is 0 and 1 compete with the connecting device here 2, and then these pass on. So we'll see at a later point that this will cause 0 and 1 will cause some congestion here because there is a weak link here, and because of that congestion after a certain time it will start dropping because of congestion over here. And likewise this traffic will get into 3, and 3 will have to get to the bus, use the bus here, this is a bus, to get to 5 and further to reach the destination 6. And in bus also we'll see that since it's a broadcast media, from 3 whatever is being put, it gets to 5 and a copy goes to 4, but it is not intended for 4. So 4 will, since it is not intended for him, he rightly discards them, he rightly drops them. So we'll see that simulation now. So let's start the simulation. So we have started. Let's do a little bit fast forward. Okay, at 1 second it should start. Yes, it has started, and let me do a slowdown here. So now we can see that right now the traffic from 1 has started. It looks like it is a CBR traffic, and then it is going from 2 to 3, and 3 is putting it on the bus, and we can see from the bus a copy is going to 5, which is 5 is rightly accepting it and sending it to 6. Whereas since that copy is going to 4 as well, 4 is not the intended destination, he is dropping all of them. He is doing a right action, he is dropping all of them. This is basically discarding the broadcast packet, which are not intended for it. This is one type of dropping. And likewise you can see now the TCP traffic also has started flowing. After a certain time we'll see that 2 also there is a congestion. So you have a queue here, queue gets filled, and then 2 also starts dropping after a certain time. So let's just move it a little bit so that we'll see 2 also start dropping. Yeah, now we can see. Let me move it a little bit. Okay, so now we will see that 2 also will start dropping. Yeah, 2 has started dropping, but you should remember that the difference between this dropping is, or the dropping at 2 is because of congestion. This is a valid dropping, whereas the dropping at 4, it was the broadcast packets were coming to him which were not intended for 4, and that's why he's dropping it. So these in the trace file, now we'll have to looking at the trace file, we'll have to segregate the drops that have happened because of broadcasts, unintended broadcasts, and likewise we'll also have to segregate the drops into the main category, which was because of congestion. So we'll just play this a little bit faster so that we are done with this. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, let's finish this off. Okay, and now let's keep it, minimize and keep it to one side, and let's get to the terminal. We see that there is a TR file created because of this simulation. So let's and we have modified the mgat.wired.awk, or first let's open the TR file that is created. 03 hybrid dot tr. Yeah, let's open this first. Yes, here we can see there are new events coming in. For example, yeah, line number 21, what I am highlighting here. So you can see that there are some events marked as H, These events marked as H are basically indicating that they are the broadcast packets. So this is a new event type that has been generated because of the bus topology that we are using. Apart from that, we will see that there are drops like this, D, and there will be lots of Ds. Now we'll have to segregate these Ds. These Ds, some of the Ds are because of the broadcast traffic reaching the unintended users nodes. Those are rightly dropping it, and likewise there will be other Ds because of congestion. So we'll have to modify our awk file to handle this scenario. In fact, we have done that. So let's have a look at what the awk file basically gives as output. So to run the awk file, we'll have to use awk, and then we know the script is in mgit wire.awk, and the trace file we'll have to give is experiment03 hybrid.tr file. Hit enter. Yeah, let's also bring up the NAM. Where is the NAM? Yeah, here. Okay. So let's just expand this a little bit. So we can see that one of the traffic type is, or the packet types was TCP, and it's saying from 0 to 6. In fact, from 0 to 6, we had traffic flowing, which was of type TCP, And then we see that there were totally 69 TCP packets that were generated by the source. Out of that, now you can see the dropped packets have been rightly classified now. So there are three types of drops that can happen. One is because of the congestion, like we were seeing, congestion was happening at 2. So it says that because of congestion, there are totally 11 drops that have happened. And later we will see that drops could happen because of link errors also. As of now, we haven't introduced link errors, but in later experiments say another 1 or 2 experiments later, we'll also we'll introduce error models where links will start dropping packets because of errors. As of now, we don't need to worry about it, and that's the reason is 0. And this one drops that have happened because of broadcasts. So you can see that there are totally 62 drops that have happened because of broadcasts. And then we can see these drops are basically, we don't need to worry about it because they went to the wrong users and they discarded it. Whereas TCP worries about these packets, the 11 that got dropped because of congestion. That's the reason TCP has tried to do retransmission again. Ideally, TCP or theoretically, we know TCP should recover completely. In the sense, it should have retransmitted all this 11. But we see only 4 over here. We'll see this cause why it has stopped at 4. We'll see this in subsequent videos. Anyway, now you can see that it has tried to retransmit, recovered some of them, and then it was able to deliver 62 packets out of 69. So totally we have got 90% delivery with 10% as the drops because of the congestion. Okay. Other thing to observe is if you add these two things, it will come to 100%. And then similarly, the other statistics for the CBR, that is the UDP traffic, it is here. So CBR traffic or the UDP traffic goes from 1 to 6, and likewise CBR has generated 1167 packets. Out of them, 14 of them dropped because of congestion, that is they got dropped at 2, and then 1153 of them were broadcast traffic, which went to 4. That's the reason 4 dropped it off. And then since it is UDP doesn't attempt to retransmit packets, even though there are packet drops. And yeah, of course, there won't be any duplicate in UDP. And delivered, there are totally 1152 of them that got delivered out of 1167. And that gives us a delivery ratio of 98% and a drop ratio of 1.3% approximate. Okay, we'll stop here. and meet you in the next videos.